Hi everybody, Wendy from Cinnamon Sweet Shop. Today I'm going to be making an S cookie. And it's an S cookie because, well, it's shaped like an S. However, you can shape it any way you want and just call it whatever you want. I always will say to eat everything in moderation because even though I'm making this on the healthier side, it's still ingredients you don't want to overdo. For example, vegetable shortening. This does call for vegetable shortening. That's going to make these cookies nice and crisp. However, I am using a healthier brand. It's Spectrum brand. It's available in health food stores or health food aisle of your grocery store. It's made with a palm oil, but even though it's a healthier version, it's not an ingredient you want to use all the time. Whole wheat pastry flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda. I like to use my organic sugar, eggs, lemon juice, and I'm using 2 extracts, part vanilla and part almond. If you don't like almond, you can use all vanilla. First thing you want to do is melt your shortening and then let it cool. Combine together your baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Just going to give it a very quick stir. And then sift it to make sure all of the lumps are out of it. Make sure it's nice and fine. In another bowl, I'm going to whisk the eggs and the sugar. And we're going to whisk this together until it is a light lemony color. Notice how the egg mixture really lathered up and it's a nice color, nice light yellow color. From there we're going to whisk in the shortening, lemon juice, and then the extracts. Now I'm going to gradually add in about half a cup of flour at a time and then whisk in the flour to your liquid mixture. Keep on doing this until all of the flour is well combined. I want to let this sit covered for about 5 minutes. I have a pastry bag filled with the dough with the tube on it. This is a little bit of a star tip, but you could use just a plain old round tip. Any size that you really want. I kind of want these a little bit smaller. And from here, I'm just going to make the letter S. And you want to make sure they're a good 1 to 2 inches apart because they will spread. Now these are going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You want to make sure they're a pale golden brown color. Rotate them in the oven about halfway through. So guys, this is what they look like when they're done. They're nice and crisp. And they're delicious too. Great with a nice hot cup of coffee. This recipe is on my website, cinnamonsweetshop.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for much more coming up, and I'll see you all in my next video.